this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Your edges came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hi Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm gonna try to learn how to project my voice so it can seem louder, because I am recording off my phone. But I want to let you guys know this is another HelloFresh cooking video. So today it's supposed to be a 20-minute meal. It's a pineapple Poblano beef tacos with lime, crema, and cilantro. This is this is what it's supposed to look like. Like again, the instructions are on the back. It has prep 10 minutes, total 20 minutes, like I said before. Calories is 830, and I do have, like, the meal that I do is the meal plan that I do is for 2 people, and it's 4 meals each week that I have selected, because I am a college student and I have a kitchen anyway, and it's like that I spend the same, like I would spend the same amount of money if I was to buy just my own groceries. But I wanted to do this easy way because I never know. I'm an indecisive person, so I never know what I want. But yeah, let's do the ingredients. The ingredients: red onions, Roma tomatoes, lime, sour cream, ground beef, Poblano pepper. You know what I forgot to do? Take out the beef. Oh! Cilantro, pineapple, Southwest spice blend, and flour tortillas. The ingredients that is not included is vegetable oil, and it didn't say salt on here, but salt and pepper. Like, those are the two. It's like they have some given in the box, but then it's like some that you like they don't give in the box that you need or whatever. And salt and pepper is just always not in the box, so you just have to get that on your own. That's a basic seasoning. And then vegetable oil, you just have to get on your own. So yeah. All right, so I'm going to do it's 6 total steps. We're gonna do the first 3 in one part, and then the second 3 in another part. So they have the Start Strong, once again, like I did in my previous video, HelloFresh. Okay, this is annoying me. Okay, in Start Strong, in step 1, don't toss the juice that comes with the pineapple. We'll use it to add a touch of tangy, probably tangy. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Tangy sweetness to the beef later on. 1. Prep. Wash and dry all produce. Half peel and finely chop onion. Core, de-seed, and cut poblano into 1/3 inch pieces. Diced tomatoes. Roughly chop cilantro leaves and stems. Cut lime into wedges. Drain pineapple, reserving juice. I'm not going to cut no lime into no wedges because that didn't happen last time. I'm going to cut them in slices because that's what I know how to do. Cilantro, I don't like it. It just, to me, just seems just like a freaking decoration. It don't taste good. I don't like it. So I don't need that. Step 2, make salsa and crema. In a medium bowl, combine tomatoes, pineapple, 2 tablespoons onion, half the cilantro, not it, and a squeeze of lime juice. In a small bowl, combine sour cream and a squeeze of lime juice to taste. Add water 1 teaspoon at a time until mixture reaches a drizzling consistency. Season with salt and pepper. told you guys. Basic seasoning. Step 3. Cook veggies. Heat a large drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add poblano and remaining onion. Season with salt, pepper, and half the Southwest spice. Cook, stirring until softened, 2 to 3 minutes. So that's the first 3 steps. On to the next 4. Alright guys, next 3 steps. Step 4, cook beef. Add beef to pan with veggies. Season with salt, pepper, and remaining Southwest spice. Cook, breaking up meat into pieces until brown, 2 to 3 minutes. Tip, carefully, did I just spit? Oh, sorry guys. Carefully pour out any excess grease in pan. Stir in reserved pineapple juice and simmer until liquid is slightly thickened and beef is cooked through. 2 to 3 minutes more. Turn off heat. Step 5. Warm tortillas. While beef cooks, wrap tortillas in damp paper towels and microwave until warm about 30 seconds. I never cook mine that way. I'm not going to do it today. But, well, we going to try the toaster oven again because my roommates, they got to go toaster oven for us all to share in. I burnt my tortillas last time, but we going to try it again. Hopefully it'll be better so then I ain't got to put it in the oven. Alright, steps. I'll be going through it, guys. Step 6, serve. Using a slotted spoon, divide beef mixture between tortillas. Top with salsa, crema, and remaining cilantro. Serve with any remaining lime wedges on the side. See that cilantro they be adding? That's like, no, it's not it, okay? It's disgusting to me. I don't like it. No. But, yeah, that's the, last few steps. We finna get into that and then y'all see the finished result. Guess what, guys? Guess what? So it's serving time. So you already know. Me, myself, and I'm all alone. I understand.
He said barbecue sauce is actually pizza and chocolate Hershey's.
You get like also like ice cream or like just chocolate milk. Look at that grease. That down there? What is it?
That's chocolate milk.
Trust the old plate.
I mean, that's the Hershey's. Look at
Okay.
how that back look good.
My back looks clean.
Tortillas. I'm about to get my own whipped cream, sour cream and just put it on here. That's just what I do.
That's because you do it. Like a burrito?
I lost my sight when I was 14 years old, so I really navigate the world by touch. When Dove asked me to try out this body wash, I was excited about this foam. It was so light and soft, not sticky.
It's light.
Oh,
It's different.
if y'all hear nose in the back, I'm watching YouTube. You know, I gotta keep myself entertained as well. So, I'm watching a challenge video by Damien Bianca. So, I'll be right back, guys.
Wait, coming up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You hear that?
ASMR.
You're lying.
Too much further.
Too much chocolate?
I got my sour cream and I got my Taco Bell mouse sauce.
You spit it out or you eat it?
Okay, you curry.
If you can't eat it, then you're disqualified. That is
Oh, curry,
I
no.
need to get a punishment.
Curry.
Hey!
Curry.
Okay. Put that on there.
What's
Put that
up?
on there.
You are disgusting.
Look at this. This is nasty, yo.
You're gross.
Alright, guys. This is the end of the
Key
video.
thing to know about me, I do not like hard shells, so I love soft shells. So I was so happy that this came with soft shells and not hard shells,
But
because
next time I have to for real
I don't like
get
hard
some
shells.
weird, nasty stuff.
But I think-
Worse than this.
But I think they should control it.
So they should comment what we should do next.
Yes, I think you guys
Just
should comment down
assembling
below
it.
what should we do.
I'm gonna stop the video right here because I'm finna assemble it, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final product. Okay guys, so I just finished. This is my finished product. It probably don't look nothing like the picture, but it's okay. Most of the stuff I used, I threw away because that's another story time, guys. But I'm gonna end this vlog right here, this cooking video right here. Like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll be back with more videos. Peace.